In this video, we're going to take a look at making textured image brushes. The first thing you want to do is go to your document setup and make your background transparent. Then go to the export persona, create a slice by dragging over your brush, resize the box to fit the image well, and then name the slice in the slice palette by double-clicking on the title and renaming it something meaningful like stars, and exporting that to a location you know, in this case my desktop, and then returning back to the designer persona. Here we go to the brushes palette and create a new textured image brush, and selecting the star PNG that I made. I'm going to double click to get into the brush engine. I change the size of the brush, and I'm going to switch to repeat to get a nice confetti-like effect. Now you'll notice that my color is set to blue, and notice that when I draw, my stars are going to be recolored to reflect the blue color, picking up on the values from the original colors, replacing those rather with the blue. But if I turn off the color, I get my original star colors back.